Wel, mae gennym ni nifer o swyddi ar hyn o bryd yn codi Menter Môn. Wrth oswetha gennym ni swyddi Enterprise Hub, mae swyddi gweinyddiol hefyd, ac rwan mae gennym ni swyddi hefo cynllun pysgodfeydd, flag. Ac Jane sy'n gyfrifol am y cynllun yma, ni am holi chi bach am y cynllun ac am y swydd. So, Jane, could you explain a little about what the flag is?
The flag, or the Fisheries Local Action Group for North Wales, is basically looking at bringing the coastal actors together, the communities together, but it's very specifically looking at the fishing sector, trying to help them in any way we can. There's from a bottom-up approach as well, which is community-led local development. So we will be looking at how we can actually help the fishermen, get people to know about our fishing sector. Specifically, we have a very unique fishing sector because they're very sustainable. So it's sort of really trying to bring the coastal people together, the people that are active in the coast, but with a very much of a focus on the fishing sector.
And what type of person are you looking for this position?
Someone who it would be helpful if they knew something about the fishery sector, but not necessarily. We're looking for someone who is enthusiastic, can work as a team, and also can drive a lot of develop the projects that we're looking at currently. So someone with really a bit of dynamism about them. And
they will be based here in Llangefni, but the area cover is across North Wales.
Yes, from Deeside down to the Llyn they'll be covering. As I said, the team here would be helping them, but they will be travelling quite a bit. We like to see the project officers to be out there and be very active in the community. And unfortunately, it may mean some early mornings because fishermen do land their fish quite early in the morning, so there can be or some late evening meetings. But it's a nice sector to work with, and they're very hard working.
So obviously an important point is the salary. So what salary are you offering for this position?
It's about 28 to 30 plus pension. Full travelling costs obviously looked after. And there also there could be some international travel. We do deal with a lot of the European flags. So they could be going off to Spain, Finland, anywhere, looking at other projects out there. So it's a very interesting type of job.
It sounds like a fascinating job. And going back on the point of the pension, Menter Môn, we are part of the local government pension scheme, so it is actually a very good pension.
We did actually mention in the specifications a two-year contract, but if everything goes to plan, it could be extended to on a third year.
Great, thank you, Jane. Felly mae'r wybodaeth I gyd ar safle fe. All information is on our website, so read it, a os da chi'n meddwl bod chi'n addas, cyflwynwch cais. If you think you're suitable, then present application. Diolch yn fawr iawn.